Want to finally browse the web without those annoying ads constantly popping up on every website? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Adblock to your Google Chrome browser. By the end of the video, you'll know how to install it easily, and you'll be able to surf the internet with far fewer distractions and interruptions. Let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking the colorful Chrome icon on your desktop or finding it in your Start menu. It's important to make sure you're using Chrome, since we'll be installing an extension specifically built for this browser. If you've got other browsers open, I'd recommend closing those, just so there's no confusion as you follow along. Once Chrome is open, we're going to head to the place where all of Chrome's add-ons live, the Chrome Web Store. In the address bar at the top, just type Chrome Store. You'll probably see a few results pop up, but you'll want to look for either a link that says Chrome Web Store or an address that starts with chromegoogle.com Web Store. Click on that. You should land on a page filled with tons of extensions and themes for your browser. If you're not seeing it, don't worry. Just make sure you're spelling it right, and maybe try Chrome Web Store instead of just Chrome Store. Sometimes the wording can make a difference in your search results. Once you're inside the Chrome Web Store, take a look up at the top left. You'll see a menu that probably says Extensions, Themes, and maybe some filter options. Click on Extensions because we're about to search for an ad blocker that works with Chrome extensions. With the Extensions section open, there's a search bar. Type Adblock into the search field and press Enter. You'll see a list of different ad blocking tools. Don't worry if you see a few with similar names like Adblock, Adblock Plus, and maybe even uBlock Origin. For this tutorial, let's stick with the straightforward one that's simply called Adblock. You'll notice it has a lot of downloads and very positive reviews. That's one way to know you're choosing a trusted option. Go ahead and select the Adblock extension from the list. When you click on it, you'll get a more detailed page with information about how it works, what features it includes, and some screenshots. This is a great spot to double-check that you're picking the right extension, so take a quick look if you like. When you're ready, find the blue button that says Add to Chrome and click it. Chrome will now ask you to confirm that you want to add this extension. This is just a safety measure, so you understand what permissions Adblock will need. Click Add Extension, and in just a few seconds you'll see a little puzzle piece or Adblock icon appear near the top right of your browser, maybe next to your profile picture or the three-dot menu. And that's it. You've added Adblock to Google Chrome. Now, when you visit your favorite websites, most ads should be blocked automatically. If you ever want to manage or adjust which ads get blocked, just click the Adblock icon to open its settings. Sometimes, you might notice that certain sites ask you to disable your ad blocker. It's totally up to you if you want to pause Adblock on those sites, but it's nice to know you're in control. If this guide helped make your web browsing smoother, please give the video a thumbs up. Got questions about installing other extensions or need help troubleshooting? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. And if you want more easy, clear tutorials, don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss our next video. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new ad-free browsing.